Today, I'm going to teach you how to create dependent dropdown lists in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you want one dropdown menu to change based on what you select in another dropdown, making your spreadsheet more dynamic and organized. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to workspace.google.com. Once there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. From the dashboard, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to create your dependent dropdown list. This will open up your Google Sheet and you can start working on it right away. In this example, we're working with two tables. The first table contains three headers: task list, main category, and subcategory. The second table has main categories along with their corresponding subcategories. Additionally, there's a column labeled data prep that we'll be using later to set up the dependency between the dropdowns. Now click on a cell under the main category header in your first table. Once you've selected that cell, head up to the top menu and click on Insert from the drop-down options that appear. Click on Dropdown. This creates the foundation for your first drop-down menu. You'll notice that the Data Validation Rules panel appears on the right side of your screen. In this panel, click on the drop-down menu under Criteria and select Drop-down from Range. Below that, you'll see a field with a data range icon. Click on that icon and then carefully select all the main categories from your second table. Once you've highlighted them, click OK to confirm your selection. Your first dropdown is now set up and ready to use. Next, we need to create the dependency formula. Navigate to the data prep column and click on a cell. Here, type equals index open parenthesis, then select all the data from your subcategories, add a comma, then add another comma. Now type match open parenthesis, then click on the drop-down cell you just created under main category. Add a comma, then select the entire range of your main categories. Add another comma, type 0, and close the formula with two closing parentheses. Hit Enter to apply the formula. This formula creates the link between your main category and subcategory, ensuring that the subcategory options change based on what's selected in the main category. Now for the final step, click on a cell under the subcategory header in your first table, go back up to the top menu and click on Insert, then select Dropdown. The Data Validation Rules panel will appear again on the right side. Click the Dropdown menu under Criteria and choose Dropdown from a range. Click the range icon and select the range from your data prep column that contains the formula you just created. And that's it. You've successfully created dependent drop-down lists in Google Sheets. Now when you select a main category, the subcategory drop-down will automatically show only the relevant options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.